Hello everyone, welcome back to Mega Builds Pro. Today, we take you inside Camp Nou for the latest construction updates. From the North Goal to the South, see prefabricated stands, slat installations, and structural progress in detail. Stay tuned as we explore every corner and show the stadium's transformation like never before. In the North Goal corner, new diagonal supports for the ceramic slats have been installed. The fixing points on the pillars were already prepared, and the lower brackets are now ready. A crane is moving additional supports, indicating more installations today. These structures will eventually hold the ceramic slats that will cover the stadium in the coming months. Behind the containers, a large amount of ventilation system material is stored. Nearby, trucks carry prefabricated stands for the third tier, which continues to advance steadily. Upper structural sections remain unchanged, including the elevator structure in the North Goal diamond area. Cranes are lifting wooden boards in the central North Goal area. A concrete pump is present but currently inactive. Elevating platforms are operating around the slat supports, adjusting and securing elements. Tower cranes are inserting prefabricated stands into the third-tier structure. Near the diamond, numerous glass panels are stored for future installation. This corner is quiet, with no active work. Large bags and materials are present near the first cantilever, but no significant changes are observed. The tribune area shows multiple prefabricated stands and staircases, with several trailers already unloaded. Work continues on the staircases, which are still under development. Cranes and elevating platforms are active near the future elevator structures, positioning and installing elements. Interior cameras show clear progress in the third tier. Most prefabricated stands are installed in the North Goal and lateral areas. In the diamond area of the future store, materials like drywall, ventilation components, and rock wool insulation are stored. Some work appears related to drainage or sewage systems. Structural reinforcement work is ongoing on pillars in preparation for future concrete pouring. In the South Goal corner, a concrete pump is present but not operating. Several new anchor bases have been installed since the last recording. These will hold the vertical supports for the future false ceiling with ceramic slats. Vertical supports are already in place, but the diagonal supports have not yet been installed. Workers are handling materials, possibly reinforcement mesh, partially blocked by safety nets. The tower crane is active in the South Goal area, lifting a new prefabricated staircase. Nearby, a section of the block wall is being painted. Some small areas remain incomplete, but painting is clearly progressing before slat installation. This confirms that the workflow is now: paint first, then install slats. Multiple elevating platforms are working in the corner, installing anchors for the supports. Installation had been paused for a while, but work has now resumed. Several anchors remain to be installed before proceeding with the slats. In the lateral section, rock wool insulation is being installed on pre-existing supports. The ceramic slats are being installed slowly, covering only some gaps. Progress is minimal compared to expectations, reflecting the careful and demanding nature of this installation process. A new structural feature, likely related to the compression ring for the roof, has been installed. Additionally, metal pieces are being embedded along the front of the lateral beam. These are being installed throughout the cantilever sections, requiring careful work across the stadium. Additional slats and construction material are stored in containers along the lateral area. Some diagonal supports in the lower brackets are still missing. Ground-level work, including areas to be concreted, remains incomplete. The parking ramp has now been fully concreted. Last week it was nearly complete, with just some reinforcement remaining. The lateral wall formwork has not yet started, but scaffolding is in place, indicating that concrete pouring will begin soon. That's all for today's Camp Nou update. We'll keep monitoring every area and share all progress in upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, subscribe to MegaBuilds Pro, and turn on notifications and share. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to MegaBuilds Pro to catch every new change as it happens. We'll be back soon with more fresh updates only here on MegaBuilds Pro.